Hey, all you rock stars, what is going on? Currently, we are in a situation where um, the smoke alarm battery is going off, it's chirping, and it's disrupting somebody's sleep. So they no longer want to be in their bed or their kennel. They want to be in my lap and they don't want to move. This is problematic because I'm supposed to be at work right now. I'm supposed to be working. Misha, can I go back to work? Will you go down on your mat on the floor, please? This is going to be a long Friday. Y'all pray for me.